The goal at the end of the day is to get my students to understand what code is, how to write it, how to think about it, and then get them excited about how they can change their world with it. They not only know at least one programming language, but most likely two by the time they are done with the program. They know how to work in a team. They know how to think critically. They know how to think in design mode. And then they know how to put all those things together, create something that can be used by everyone.
I've always been very interested in computers, and last year I had like a change of mode of where I really wanted to decide to learn how to code, and a few months ago I programmed the game, which I was like a simple platformer, but I still was, shocked to see how I turned nothing into, a little platformer game. You could create anything that you can imagine, and it only depends on, I guess, your imagination what limits you.
Once you finish my class, you take both years, you're dual enrolled both years, you actually graduate the program with 12 college credits. So it's really great. And then the internship, not only do you finish the program with 12 credits, but you can also finish the program with at least 1 year of working experience, actual working experience out in the real world.
It does benefit us for the future with, future jobs that we'll look at that and see, wow, he did this at this age, this young, and, he still got the skills, so we want him right on our team.
If you're interested in making a computer do what you want it to do instead of what it wants to do, you should take coding.